This is the Seagate ONE TOUCH SSD. I couldn't find the right adjective for this SSD. Ang ganda nito. Based on photos I saw online, I did not expect it to be this small. So far, this is my smallest hard drive. Seagate described it as travel size, and here are some comparison photos with other gadgets. Aside from being small, the ONE TOUCH SSD is so light, just 45 grams. The ONE TOUCH SSD has this brushed aluminum look and is available in 3 colors. Technical specs say that it has a transfer speed of up to 1030 megabytes per second, and this particular model has 1 terabyte capacity. It comes with a USB 3.2 Gen 2, also known as USB-C, for ultra-fast transfers. But it also comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable in case you need to use it on a device without USB-C. The Seagate ONE TOUCH SSD works with both Windows and Mac. But one special feature of this SSD is that it works with Android mobile devices. It comes with the free rescue data recovery services within the warranty period. It also includes 1 month free subscription to Magpayo Create and 4 months free subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud Photography Plan. Another added feature of the ONE TOUCH SSD is the advanced data encryption, the password protection and hardware encryption used by the US and other global intelligence agencies. Pang Mission Impossible. Now, I don't have to worry about running out of storage on my phone, especially when I am traveling. If you have questions about this hard drive, just leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Happy shooting!